You've got the will to change a nation, but your body is dumb. You spent a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid you say something wrong. Cause no one ever heard us, how we gonna love your song. So come on, come on, come on, come on. You got the hardest now inside, so I let you make me think. Baby, we're a little different, there's a need to be ashamed. You've got the light to fight the shadows, so stop hiding it away. Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the world dry out. So put it in all of the papers. I'm not afraid that you read on about it, read on about it. Oh, 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 I'm not walking and the neighbors will sing away the blues, making sure that to remember, yeah, cause we don't matter too. If doctors are forbidden, they're breaking all the rules. So come on, come on, come on, come on, let's get the TV and the radio, the playing to the game. It's about time we got some airplay on conventional events. There's no to be afraid, will we sing with you, my friend? Come on, come on. I wanna sing, I wanna shout, I wanna scream till the world dry out. So put it in all